Ever wondered how a single facial can tackle multiple skin concerns? Kamora Signature Facial is your answer. Designed to cleanse, exfoliate, and hydrate, it offers a comprehensive solution for radiant skin without breaking the bank. Kamora's facial begins with a deep cleanse, removing impurities and unclogging pores. This is followed by a soothing exfoliation that unveils fresh, radiant skin. The hydrating mask then replenishes moisture, leaving your skin soft and supple. Experience the luxury of a spa treatment with Kamora's Signature Facial. It's an all-inclusive service that combines deep cleaning, exfoliation, and hydration, ensuring your skin feels rejuvenated and looks luminous. Melt away stress with our calming facial massage, designed to relax your mind and body. Feel the warmth of steam opening your pores, allowing maximum product absorption for optimal results. Leave the spa feeling rejuvenated and refreshed. Kamora's Signature Facial not only enhances your skin, but also provides a much-needed escape from daily stress, ensuring you walk out glowing inside and out. Get all your skincare needs met in one session, saving you time and money. Join countless satisfied clients who rave about their glowing results and the transformative experience Kamora's Signature Facial offers. By choosing Kamora's Signature Facial, you're investing in your skin's health and beauty. Experience the transformation for yourself and see why so many clients trust us with their skincare journey. Book your appointment today and take the first step towards radiant skin. Let Kamora's Signature Facial be your go-to solution for all your skincare needs. Don't wait, your glowing skin awaits.